Open House is an event where students' parents meet teachers and see what they've been learning so far this year. This event occurred on Tuesday, August 22nd, 2019. Open House also included food, selling Sevier merchandise, and performances from the Sevier 7th and 8th grade drumline and 6th grade chorus. There are many booths for clubs set up, including Science Olympiad, Art Club, Math Club, robotics, and many more. Parents had many reasons on why they came to Open House.
We're really excited about being a part of Sevier and starting the 6th grade. I went to school here myself when I was in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, and we're really looking forward to an awesome year.
They had an opinion on what the best part about Open House was.
I think our favorite part about the Open House has been just seeing all the things that Shelby's been so excited about and coming home with and meeting the teachers and some new friends and just really seeing everything that's a part of what's going on.
Students didn't know what to feel about Open House when their teachers and parents meet.
Well, I'm quite scared for my mom to meet my teachers because I don't know.
It's fun to hear them talk about what they say about me.
They had many opinions on why Open House is a good idea.
Because parents get to meet the teachers, even though it is scary because you don't know what your teacher is going to say about you. And I just think it's good overall because the parents get to see what the school's like.
Miss Kilgore had a fun time meeting parents.
My favorite part about Open House is meeting all the parents and seeing our students outside of a typical school day.
She thought Open House was a good idea to meet parents.
Open House is important because it gets parents in our building and they get to see what their students do and their kids do all day long.
Reporting for the Sequoyah Scribe, this has been Emma.